to the end of the street so that we can take an aesthetic video, and this is us before.
So here's us stretching.
Go check out our aesthetic video. Like,
We're about to literally gonna run to the end of the street. She stole my sweatshirt so we would look cute.
actually, this is her aunt's sweatshirt that her brother stole.
And then I stole from my brother. Okay, guys, ready?
High knees, really fast.
High knees, high knees, high
Open the
knees.
gate.
Okay, roll your neck out.
Close the gate. Okay.
Ready?
We're gonna go.
Okay,
3, 2, 1. I'm just a fast runner. Sad, I'm not even. Okay, pause. Breath break. She's still running. Sun's about to set in like 2 minutes, basically. Okay. We're here. We just ran like the whole way. With like breaks. We're both really tired. But we're gonna make a video. You should so check it out. What a great angle.
What a beautiful angle.
You should so check it out.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.